Today, let's get to know the heartbeat of our industry, the Internet. The Internet is an interconnected network of computers that was built to move information. But it's not just a tool. It's the force that unites us, keeps us connected, and powers our innovations. Join us as we explore how the Internet is creating opportunities that shape our collective success. The journey begins when you want to send an email. You turn on your computer or any other device connected to the Internet, you write your email, and now you're ready to send it. But how do you know your email is going to the right place? Each device has a unique identifier called an IP address, its own digital address, similar to a home address, that allows information to be sent to the correct device. Like homes are connected via streets, and streets to neighborhoods, your devices are connected to your home network, which connects to a larger network. Just like people travel around the world, so does information through the use of fiber optic cables. To bring internet to your device, you first connect your device to a router and a modem. Like plugging into the internet power source at home, a router acts as a traffic manager for all the devices that are connected to it. A router can have physical connections or wireless capability. The router is then connected to a modem, which acts like a bridge to connect your house to your internet service provider, also known as an ISP. ISPs use cables or wireless technology to connect your household to data centers, which are large digital warehouses storing information for the Internet. Within these data centers are servers, which are essentially big, powerful computers that process requests such as opening emails. Each server has a unique IP address to ensure proper delivery of information requests. These data centers are interconnected through fiber optic cables, creating a global web of connected devices and centers for information to travel through. Imagine the Internet as a superhighway with special cables that use light to carry information quickly. These cables are like having multiple lanes on a freeway because they bundle together many thin, flexible glass strands. Inside these strands, there's a core that carries encoded information using pulses of light. Around this core is something called cladding, which reflects the light back into the core, making sure the signal doesn't get lost. Each pulse of light represents a piece of data, and this data is transformed using bits. These units are like tiny switches that can be either on or off. All digital information, like letters or numbers, is represented using this binary system of digits called bits. Binary data is like a secret language using light. It's either on or off, like a yes or no signal. It's a bit like Morse code. When the light is on, it's a 1. When it's off, it's a 0. Using this concept, operators can now send messages using these light signals. A machine translates the series of 1s and 0s at a bit rate, which is the number of bits that can be sent over a specific time period, like 800 million bits per second. So, the machine translates the series of binary data and then turns it into the digital content we see. For example, the letter A might be represented as 01000001 in an 8-bit binary code. It's quite remarkable that many people now have internet speeds of 50 megabit per second or more, which is an impressive 50 million bits per second, or 6,250,000 bytes per second. Fiber optic cables have a large capacity for sending information quickly with very little latency or waiting time for the information to travel. That means it will be able to translate bits faster than other methods, like copper cable or satellite, which means that you can get your emails to load faster than ever without having any delays in conversation. This is extremely important as it delivers information that is stored around the world. In the world of digital communication, content is broken down into smaller packages known as packets for speedier transmission. Functioning much like express mail for prompt delivery, When you initiate an action, such as opening an email, a request is promptly dispatched. Once the request reaches the server, where the email is temporarily stored, the email's content is fragmented into packets that can traverse various routes to return to your device in the most efficient manner. These data packets are later reassembled into the content you see. Everything from email, text, to video is encapsulated within these packets. Fiber optics can be thought of as high-speed internet lanes, offering a swift and exceptionally reliable alternative compared to other methods like copper cables or satellites. The impressive bandwidth of fiber optics is similar to an information superhighway, capable of carrying a substantial amount of information simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. So, as you embark on this journey, keep your eyes open. The internet isn't just bits of data or connected hardware. It's a catalyst for innovation, information, and a source of endless opportunities. Let's build, connect, and create opportunities together as we shape the future of telecommunications.